See, here's the ant colonies. I've noticed there are many of these in here. Lots of cactuses, lots of ants, but no trees. Okay, so at least the ants are doing good. They're home. See, they're heading home right there. These little guys. Well, they got an entire dead forest to work in now. So, yeah. Look at this, look at this little tree over here. Look, just a baby tree. Look, this thing didn't have a chance. See it? Look. See, it's rotted, and it's bent, and it's just, you know, look at it. Look at it. Look. You guys know, look at this. You've seen this. This entire forest, a lot of the forests around the world are starting to look like this. So you can head over to Dane Wigington's channel and check out geoengineeringwatch.org, and you can see some of this for yourself in California. You know, this is down here in Florida. Look at that. That majestic pine right there. Look at that. That was a sentient being. That thing is completely destroyed. It's gonna die. That's amazing to see it destroyed in that condition. Okay. Here, I wanted to get a shot of the sky through there, so you can see the sky. Sun. Look at this. And look at these trees. Look at them. These were beautiful shade trees. I mean, they're just completely ragged, falling over, dying from the ground up. It's sad. It's very hot out here. Sun's hotter than it's ever been. It's like a white LED. Go a little further. See, it doesn't take a genius to know what's going to happen when a lightning bolt comes down and sets a fire to one of these forests in California, Mexico, or anywhere. Yeah, beautiful young pine trees. Completely destroyed. Completely destroyed. Yes, because climate engineers just don't give a damn about anything on the ground. They're only concerned about blocking out the sun. But you see what it's doing to the ground down here. Like I said, you guys got to make your own decisions. I just film this stuff and show it to you. I mean, just look at the destruction. It's not supposed to look like that. I mean, come on, guys. Look through there. You see it? The entire forest floor looks like this. Stick in here a little further and show you some of this stuff. You won't believe it. It's dangerous to walk under any of these trees. They're all sideways. See? Look at that tree right there. You see that? That's a big tree, and that's right over the trail I just walked through. That thing weighs tons. Tons. And it could easily just fall right over. And they fall really quick too. I've seen these things fall over in seconds. See, look behind me. Right here, they're falling over. Let's see if we can get through there. Yeah, see, they're massive trees. They're just huge. Look at this thing. I can walk across it. Wow, it put me up where I can see. Look at this. Yeah, the entire forest is imploding. See that? I mean, you can see it just dying all through there. That's really bad. Yeah, even the young stuff. Look right here in front of me. See, it's dying. The soil's poisoned. It's gonna kill it. Yeah. Okay. Let's go over there. Well, I got weather coming. I gotta get out of here. See, look. See. So it's not like it don't rain out here. It's the middle of Florida. It rains like hell. It's really hot. Planes have been going all day out here. See, look at some of the growth on the ground. You see, every species is affected. I show this to people and sometimes they don't believe me. They're kind of in disbelief. Oh, you know. Yeah, soil systems are destroyed. See through there? Yeah, they're all infected. They're all falling apart. But that's it, guys. That's the last time I come out here. You can see it's just far too dangerous, you know? These trees are falling over. Far too dangerous to come out here. But this is happening to everything out here. Everything. You know, destroys microbes in the root system. And the tree starts to defoliate. Can't take up water and it starts to die. Then the bugs come in. And it all ends up like that. You end up with dead trees all over the ground. Yeah. You know, it just breaks my heart to come through this area right here and see the size of some of these trees and what's happened to them. It hasn't been easy to make these videos. I'll tell you, I don't like coming out here making videos like this. It stays with me for a while, you know, it's depressing. Nobody wants to see the forest they grew up with looking like this. You know, I'd do anything to go back to the time when it was all green. You know? Here with this specimen, we have the same sort of thing. We have the root ball at the bottom is collapsing and the tree is leaning over. Okay, it's lost a lot of its lower branches and the top is dying. It's a younger tree. You can see it's dying all the way up. There's the sun and the sky. There's an immense amount of artificial cloud up there today, actually a complete cover. And you can see this tree is on a huge angle. Okay, this tree is completely sideways. It's going to end up like this one over there. You see the dead tree? You see behind it? We have a lot of storm clouds coming in right now. The temperature's dropping. I still have a long ways to go to get out of here. I gotta get out of here before the lightning comes down. I just wanted to stop at this tree so you could see it. That's exactly what's happening. It's dying from the ground up, and you can see it's bleeding. Look right here. You see? It's in a lot of distress. You know, it's got the wound channel. I mean, look at this bark. This is, you know, here we go again with the bark and everything. There you go. I wanted you to get a good look at this one up close. See, this tree's dying real fast right here. It's right next to this one. They'll all share the same fate. I mean, look at this twisted, mangled mess right here of a tree. Once a beautiful shade tree, a beautiful pine tree, is now completely destroyed. And it's never coming back, you know? It's like pulling teeth. You're not gonna get it back. That's a disgrace. I think this is very important to show you. Right here you can see there was a healthy root system down here. This tree had a very healthy root system. You can see it bulging out of the ground. And you can see it bulging. It's pulling it right out of the ground. Okay? It's gonna rip it right out of its socket. See, it can't support the weight of this massive specimen right here. You know, once they get on an angle like that, I mean, it's done. You can't fix it. But I thought that would be important for you guys to see that they're dying from the ground up, that the entire soil system is poisoned. This bark looks really bad.